Good morning. It is Wednesday, June the 29th, 2016, and the time is about 8:30. We slept in this morning. I got a load of clothes washing. Larry's having cereal for breakfast with blueberries. I'm having cereal, blueberry, and banana. But he's got a little bit of banana in there, a little bit of blueberry, mostly cereal. We're back at the senior center. I'm going to post my videos and Larry's going to walk on the treadmill. We got fish and fries from McDonald's for lunch. And Larry, I think, got sweet tea probably. Yeah. I've spent all morning at the senior center just watching vlogs and catching up on things, while Larry went out on the Meals on Wheels to learn a route so he can deliver. We ate our sandwiches parked there in the shade.
See the little waterfall?
Oh.
I don't know.
Yeah, a little. We're here at the Riverwalk, just to take a little walk. Oh, that's pretty. I bet that water's cold.
We'll find out.
No. If there's any fish in there, you'd be able to see them. It's so clear.
Yeah, but it's probably still around like shade spots underneath there. They know they're underneath limbs.
There's another little waterfall. It's pretty. Kind of combination waterfall rapids. There's a pool here. You can see the rocks through the water and them down just so clear.
I got to thinking that might not have been an otter I saw the other day. It might have been a mink.
Ah. This is a nice stone walkway down through here. Right beside the river. And up on the other side. This is right here in downtown Newland, right in the center of traffic. We got ducks on an island.
There's some to your left too. See them?
And ducks in the shade.
And over there, water, getting water.
Mm-hmm. We were wondering what the name of the river was we were walking by, and it's the North Tow River in the French Broad watershed. And this little plaque here about how they built it. It says beavers have made their home in the North Toe for quite some time, and they had the big equipment to bring the boulders in. This is the stormwater wetlands. So I guess some of the water is diverted here. And the storm drain's empty in here.
Mm-hmm. 73 feet is normal. If it goes to 74, it's a high water line. Okay.
Oh, and they got 3 different levels for the different plants to grow. There's water. This isn't the river. This is just a pool with lily pads and maybe water hyacinths falling down there.
A lot of brim and bullfrogs.
And brim and bullfrogs. Kind of warm out here in the sun. Looks like they got restrooms over there too. This is a pretty weed. Looks like dill. But Larry said it doesn't smell like dill, but it's pretty. It grows tall.
There you go, chasing a hen.
There's 2 babies out there by the pipe.
could be a ratchet.
Okay. Might be water hyacinths. That's what Larry thinks they are. Just admiring the flowers.
Yeah. Pat, no.
We're back in the shade and it feels good. We were getting kind of warm out in that hot sun. Family Dollar's right over there. That's what we're going next. I need some more paper plates. I got my brownie mix. I'm mixing it up so Larry can take up the cards tonight. I just got to put them in there and bake them. Well, I got to stir it up first. Larry fixed supper. We got warmed up squash, scrambled eggs, tomato sandwich, and there's the brownies I made. And tomatoes are out of our garden. Larry's going to play cards. The man that checked our golf cart batteries was just here and left. So he's going to get us 2 new batteries tomorrow.
Here.
You did good. He's waiting. I have to bring my flag in pretty soon. I just noticed one of my pretty yellow daylilies is blooming. These are the ones I got from the daylily farm a year or 2 ago. I think they're pretty. Yeah, down there's another one that's going to bloom tomorrow. If you can see down in here, these are our golf cart batteries. There's 8 of them. And I think it's this one over here. I think it's the one on the end and the one down here on the end that aren't very good that he's going to replace. So he'll be bringing those by probably tomorrow. And then hopefully I'll be able to run up and down the hills as fast as can be. It's been another very good day. Good night. God bless.